Hello everyone, welcome back to Max Creative Den. Today I am going to show my favorite face cleansing tools with all of you. I have few options for you, so I am going from low budget to high budget. The first product that I have for you is this red silicone pad. It is made from soft silicone. It is very soft in structure. So let me explain the physical structure of this in detail. You have some fine bristles over here, and on the opposite side there is a holder which helps in giving a good grip for us to hold it. The usage of this product is very simple. You need to wet your face. Take the required amount of face wash here and massage it on your face for good 2 minutes. 1.5 to 2 minutes should be fine. It not only cleanses your face but also exfoliates it. I use it every alternate days. I have been using this product for almost 2 years now. I got it for 175 rupees on Amazon. If I find the link, I'll share it in the description box below. The next product that I have for you is this electronic face massager from KS Smith. It is an electronic face massager. The difference between these two is this works on electronic and that works manually. You need to turn on this and apply some water on your face and add some face wash here, and you need to massage it on your skin. You can increase the pulsations by using the plus sign here or decrease it with the minus sign here. The speed can be adjusted. You need to use it for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. It can be used every day. It is a chargeable device. You need to insert the pin here. The moment you insert the pin, there is a red light indicated here, and once the color changes, remove it from charging. It can be charged once every 2 months. You need to use it just for 1 or 1.5 minutes, so it lasts for almost 60 uses. This is a completely waterproof device. You can use it even in the shower. So the MRP of this product is 2000 rupees, but there is always some or the other offer on Amazon. I got it for 750 rupees. The warranty that the company gives for this product is 1 year, and you can also get an extended warranty of 6 months. So overall, the warranty of this product is 1.5 years. I got this product 1.5 years back. So if I find the link of this product, I'll leave the link in the description box below. The next product that I have for you is this face cleansing device. It is a chargeable device and it is having multiple heads for changing. This head is used for exfoliating it once in a while. It can be changed with the other heads. This is for the regular usage. And this one is for removing the makeup. You need to give it a long press to start the device, and to increase the speed you need to press it second time, and if you want to turn off the device you need to long press it again. That's it. It is a rechargeable device and the charging point is at the back. Even this device can be used in the water, but it's not completely waterproof. I bought this one along with this one last year. It's almost 1.5 years since I'm using both of them. I use this occasionally and I use it regularly. So I mostly use the black head and use it once in a week. I mainly use it for deep exfoliation, and this is for the regular purpose. The other head that I got with this one with white bristles is very soft. I don't feel that it exfoliates my skin properly. If you're someone with sensitive skin, you can always use this one for the regular use. Because of the soft bristles, it is very gentle on your face. It hardly repairs my skin, but it can help somebody with sensitive skin. It is very gentle on your face. It is extremely soft with this white bristles. The MRP of this product is 2000 rupees with one, but I got it for 1000 rupees on Amazon. I'll leave the link of this product in the description box below. I have saved my favorite products for the last. I have two products from Foreo. This is Foreo Luna 3 and this is Foreo Iris. First, I'll tell about Luna 3. The front side of this is for face cleansing and the opposite side is for face massaging. I found very good improvement in my skin after I started using this. There is also a mobile app for this product on which you can change the settings. This product is very expensive. Though this product is on the expensive side, it is a one-time investment. I started using it regularly every single day without fail with the CTM procedure, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. I cleanse my face with this side, and I tone my skin with a good toner, and then I moisturize it with this massager. This massager also helps in anti-aging. You will get the clear description of this one in the mobile app. This is a completely waterproof device. There are various modes in the app. You can choose the one that fits for your purpose and use it. And the next product that we have is Foreo Iris. This is the product that we use around the eyes, which helps in reducing the dark circles and fine lines around your eyes. You can increase the speed of this one with the plus sign here and decrease it with the minus sign here. Whereas for this one, you can only increase the speed from the app. It has a fixed speed that you can set in the app. Once you set it for 1 minute, it works for 1 minute. Once you turn it on, you need to double click it. Both of these products are completely waterproof. I have bought them from Sephora. There are some fake products for this as well. So to get the genuine product, you need to take it from official site or from the store. If you want me to do an in-depth review on these two products, please let me know in the comment section below. These are all the products that we have discussed today. That's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.